Ports are critical areas that are responsible for importing, exporting and moving goods all around the world. However, they are heavily dependent on their infrastructure, which requires constant monitoring and inspection in order to make sure that operations remain safe and efficient. Assets like storage tanks, piers, harbours, pipelines, cranes and more require constant monitoring to make sure that they are safely operating. That's where tools like the Elios 3 UT step in order to perform these inspections in a safe and efficient way. NDT tools like the Elios 3 are capable of collecting not just the visual inspections, but also UT measurements remotely from a safe location. They're able to create digital twins of the environment and also collect other data that's critical for this type of infrastructure. Ports, harbours, shipyards, ship repair yards and other locations all around the world are starting to recognise the importance of these technologies, as it allows them to perform safer operations, but also it allows them to save a lot of time in terms of building scaffolding and reaching areas at height, which would not be possible with traditional tools, and also be more efficient in terms of expenditure for additional labour costs and additional scaffolding and building. So if you're interested in learning more about tools like the Elios 3 UT, click the link in the description below and find a free fact sheet on how these tools are helping other customers around the world perform safer, cheaper and more efficient inspections at their port infrastructure and shipyards.